Okay, lot 53. Let's take a look. Nice covered front porch, which is like a replica of Warrior Park. 10-foot ceilings. Big open concept, basically, right away. Wow, they have electricity. Windows, sheetrock should be coming in really soon. It's right here. Is HVAC up? HVAC is up. So you should have walk pretty soon over here. You have the Synergy right there. This is your half bath. Half bath right there. Let's go all the way to the back. See what's going on over here. Oh, they have the French doors. Is that an option? Or was it sliders? Yeah. Okay. Let's double check. Let's go upstairs and then we'll check out the backyard and the casita. Okay. Second floor. Oh yeah, I know this home. Reminds me how. So it has like a little nook over here. Yeah, everything is up. HVAC. Drywall here in the front room. Has that. Bath. Laundry room right here. Another bedroom right here. Closet. Primary closet over here. Primary bath. Okay. Looks like they rearranged it a little bit, which is much better than before. It's a lot tighter before. That's the bath, shower. So now they have an inlet to the shower. Before it was really tight where the entry was right here. So this is really good what they did. Let's check out. Okay, so let's check out the casita. This is really awesome. So usually Jasmine has a bigger yard, but you have this covered lanai right here. Huge covered lanai, which is a big plus. Would definitely get some type of privacy bushes there. Then you still have a big yard here, right? And then this is the casita. Very cool. Very nice. This is a big room. It's a very big room. Has 2 windows here, and then all these windows here are really cool. Walk-in closet, and then the full bath. So from the garage, that would have been nice if it connected directly to the house. But great size garage. Because you have all that extra. And it's 10 foot, so it's a lot higher. Yeah, it's 10 feet. So you have a really good parking pad. It's like a 7-8 foot parking pad, which is really good. I wonder what they're going to put in there. All right, let's go to the Penta.